Yeah, the big annoying sphere coming up.
Is that the technical term?
Yes.
Yeah, I can't remember what it's called.
Pretty sure it says that in the journal.
Yeah. Right, fear's gone. Weight of darkness in 3, the fear thing. Let's give hugs. Paul, you need a hand? Yeah. Oh, you got it. Cool.
Oh, the fear, yeah, I can counter that. So.
Good old stance.
No, don't you have to do that these days?
Nah. Man. Right,
Man,
need a stack
those were
soon.
the days.
Yeah. So stack up.
Using Ascendance.
Beware.
Fire incoming. Spread out. Consuming sphere, and that's the runaway thing. The annoying sphere coming in.
Big annoying sphere.
Big annoying sphere. Okay.
AKA your mom.
She's not that big.
Or spherical?
No. Well, she did retire a couple of years ago and got slightly more spherical. But I wouldn't call her.
It was just a general your mom, not your specific
Oh,
mom,
okay.
but okay.
Stay spread out. We get some fire stuff now. And then we get the fear thing. Nice work, guys. Desolate Gaze and Siphon Corruption. I need a stack soon. Split this damage. Annoying orb coming in too.
Beware.
It's the new annoying orange.
Don't stand the fire. I did. Fear in 3. All the fear things.
Ah, fucker.
Press pull.
Nice muff. Stay spread out. Siphon Corruption coming in. Stacking, stack.
Tiding.
Yeah. Gazes.
Beware.
Yeah. Annoying thingamajig. Dutch.
Beware.
Fire Zone.
What?
And Fear.
What was that? I got picked up and moved to another spot, or is that?
That's where the
Yeah,
fire
starting
is.
again.